Manuel, hello.
Hello.
You've been with Manchester City for 2 seasons now, and you've won 1 Champions League and 2 Premier League titles. So what is your favorite memory from the past 2 years?
Yeah, I think I would say the year that we won the treble. It's been an unbelievable season. But also last year, when we achieved something that no English team has done before, to win 4 Premier League titles in a row was also something special.
4 in a row for the formidable Manchester City.
So, yeah, it's hard to choose between these two.
It looks like you're really enjoying life in Manchester. Does the city suit you well?
Yeah, it does. I mean, I enjoy it here. My family enjoys it here. That's the most important thing. I feel really happy at the club, so yeah, that's good.
You are working with one of the best managers in the world, Pep Guardiola. What have you learned from him over the past 2 years, and how has he influenced your development the most?
I mean, a lot of things. I think the most I learned of him is tactically in defending and also playing with the ball. But also for me personally, playing in so many different positions that I'm capable of now, because when I came here, mostly I just played centre back, either right or left. And now I played like 5 or 6 different positions for this club. So I think that's the thing I learned most of me throughout these years with working with him together.
Playing in the Premier League means playing against some of the best teams in the world. How do you prepare mentally for matches? Do you have any specific pre-match routines?
Yeah, I mean, it's always kind of the same. We have our pre-match meal, then I go to my room, I shower, I listen to my music, I talk to my mental coach before every game for like 10-15 minutes. And then, yeah, go to the bus, listen to music again, play Uno with Kyle Walker, and then go to the game.
It's no secret you're a math genius. Does your mathematical knowledge also help you when playing football?
I wish it would, but I don't think it does. I mean, it's a different thing. The numbers always stay the same, and in football you have to adapt to different situations. So I don't think it helps me.
Okay, as a central defender, you often face some of the best strikers in the world. Who has been the most challenging opponent you've been playing against, and why?
I mean, it's not one that plays in the Premier League, but I think the most difficult to guard was Lionel Messi. He's been unbelievable with the ball, and as a defender you somehow learn how to read a player, what's his favorite thing to do, where to go with the ball, what his next decision will be. But with him, he was so unpredictable. If you think he will go left, he will go right. If you think he will go right, he will go left. So for me, it's definitely the most difficult player to guard.
As you mentioned before, Manchester City set a new record with 4th consecutive Premier League trophy last season. How far do you think this team can go, and can you continue this level of dominance?
I hope so. I mean, I feel really good in this team. I'm confident that we can go again this year to win another title, but it's a long season and we got to prove it throughout the whole year. So yeah, I hope we can do it again, but I'm confident in us.
Yeah, last season you were in a tense title race with Arsenal till the very end. Do you expect a similar battle at the top of the table this season?
I mean, I don't know which team is going to do well. We played Man United last weekend. I think they played really well. So if they have some consistency, they can be up there as well. I don't know what to expect of the other teams. It's always hard to tell in the beginning of the season. A lot of things can happen. So yeah, I mean, Arsenal's team looks still good, so they're probably going to fight for the title as well. But in the end, we got to focus on ourselves.
Okay, on Sunday you are facing Chelsea in the first round of new season of the Premier League. Given the last 2 Premier League fixtures between the clubs, are you expecting another close match?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to expect. It's always hard to have expectations in football. But I think it's going to be a good game. Chelsea's a really good team. They got some new signings again this season. So you never know exactly what to expect, but it's for sure not going to be easy. Also that we're playing away at Stamford Bridge, the first game of the season. So it's going to be tough, but I hope we can win at the end.
And looking ahead, what are your personal goals for the future? Do you have any specific ambitions?
I hope to win as many titles as possible this year, because I think we have a really good team, and I think we can compete for all the competitions we're in. And personally, to stay healthy, that's the most important thing, and to play as many minutes as possible.
Manuel, Akanji, thank you for your time and good luck on Sunday.
Thank you, all the best.